Hello everyone, today we will take a look at the selection of home health gadgets in the market for you for 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I am able to help you find the right one to see the most up-to-date prices and to find out more about these home health gadgets. I will try to help. You can see the link in the description below. Number 5. Anti-Burst Swiss Ball. The anti-burst Swiss ball is made of highly durable material so that you can go ahead and experiment with a workout regimen without the worry of hurting yourself. The ball comes with a foot pump, which means that you can take the ball anywhere and inflate it at your will. Gym ball helps you strengthen your core muscles, your back, arms, legs, shoulders, and abdomen. This ball helps you doing various stretching, yoga, training, and can use as a yoga chair. The ball can be used by both men and women for training purposes. Number 4. AGARO NB21 Compressor Nebulizer. If the breathing problem occurs to people near and dear to you, then this B21NB nebulizer may be perfect for you. It is an ideal companion in the fight against breathing problems. It comes with a main compressor, 6 ml medicine room, mouthpiece, adult and child masks, 5 air filters. The nebulizer works in 2 ways, with a mouthpiece and a 6 ml medicine cap to make breathing easier for the entire family with immediate relief. The second mask fits well for different facial contours, compliance with low wastage of medication, and effectiveness of treatment. Nebulization process with single click button and easy to use. This device air tube with 200 cm length comes with, which makes it ideal to use the nebulizer at bedtime. Number 3. Dr. Physio Electronic TENS Massager. Dr. Physio has brought you a premium quality digital massage device that relieves your body of fatigue and stress after a massage session. Efficient, small and lightweight equipment is easy to travel and is suitable during office time or business travel. The massager comes with a large size LCD that displays the intensity, strength, massage mode and functions clearly. Now, let us see the functions. Drug-free massage. Dr. Physio Electronic TENS Massager is a drug-free pain reliever for people suffering from injuries, chronic pain, nerve, and joint pain. 5 massage modes. The device comes with 5 different massage modes including acupuncture, cupping, massage, kneading, and pressure. By pressing the plus and minus buttons you can set the intensity level of the selected mode to your liking. 16 intensity levels. The TENS massage allows different intensities of pressure at the side of the massage. After placing the electrode pad on the pain area, select the intensity level up to 16 through the control knob. Portable unit with belt clip. Massage is a handheld device with a belt clip to enjoy hands-free massage anywhere, at the office, gym, or on the go. Works with 2 XAAA batteries. Power up your TENS massager with a 2 Ah battery and then connect the electrode with it via the lead wires. Number 2. Beurer IL 35 Infrared Lamp. This Beurer infrared lamp is a German company. This lamp well treats for cold and muscle strains. It is very beneficial for back pain, knee pain, neck pain, and shoulder pain. You will get the complete details of where infrared lamps should be used and where you should not do manual work. Now let us look at its features. Output watts is 150 watt, which is normal. It has 3 levels: electronic timer and automatic switch off function. It comes with an adjustable with 5 degrees of inclination. Number 1. Omron Fully Automatic Digital Blood Pressure Monitor. Measuring your blood pressure every day is actually very good because it can help in the early detection of high blood pressure. Omron Blood Monitor is automatically applying the right amount of pressure for faster, accurate, and more comfortable measurement. Let us see features. Body movement detection. Detect any body movement during measurement and show it to the user by blinking the error symbol. Hypertension. Detects and indicates whether the blood pressure is outside the standard range. Detection of irregular heartbeat. Detects and indicates irregular heartbeat during blood pressure measurement. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.